B.E.A. family, what is happening? How is everyone doing on this beautiful sunny day? Monday, back at it, back on the grind, week by week, no matter what. Even if you're not working, do something each day to better yourself. At least one thing. Coming at y'all for an unboxing today of, drumroll please, worst drumroll ever known to man, the Nest Mini. The Google Nest Mini. I love the color I got on this. They have a few different colors that you can choose from. So, what is it if you don't know? Simply play YouTube Music, Spotify, Google Calendar, Google Maps, Google Duo. You can video chat with someone. You can dim the kitchen lights from this device. It's just a smart device that picks up your voice when you say, okay. I won't say it because a lot of your phones will probably gone off. Or if you have a Mini in the house and you're listening to this video, maybe the Mini heard it or hears it. So I obviously don't want to say it and have your device go off. Let me stop talking and let's get down to it. Unboxing Google Nest Mini. That's how you know I'm an amateur, because I don't even have a knife on me. Jags? Who likes the Jaguars? Like this video if you're not a Jaguars fan. Let's see how many people like it. Google Nest Mini, unboxing. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Looks very pretty. Very nice design. One thing I absolutely love that they had mentioned is the top here is made out of 100% recycled plastic bottles, I believe, which is pretty damn awesome. Lightweight, not heavy. One thing to keep in mind if you have the Nest Mini is that you will need to have an outlet because it does need to be plugged in at all times for it to work. It's not a wireless smart device. So here's the cord here that you will need to plug in. Like I said, you can play music, YouTube Music, Google Calendar. It could help you with Google Maps if you want to know where something is. Okay, blah, blah, blah. What's the weather today? What's it going to be like for the weekend? So I would test this out right now, but like I had mentioned, once I say those two words, a lot of people might get notifications or an alert from their Google or smart device thinking that it's their voice, and it's not. So I don't want to do that, but it's definitely going to work strong. I have a Pixel 3, and I'd say without any music, I can probably get a good 25 feet away. If I were to say it and ask them a question, I think this should be no different, and it's going to be mostly for indoors. You know, obviously your phone goes with you everywhere, but this is more so just for indoors. Listen to music while you're in the shower, just chilling. There's a bunch of different things you can do. Just to give you a close-up here of what it looks like. That's where the input will go for the charging and for it to power on. Here looks like a speaker button here, a microphone button. And this here looks like you could just mount it or hang it on the wall. So they give you an option. You just put it right on the wall, make it look nice. I really do love the design though. The circle and just the color. I'm a big fan of the color. Love the texture of it. Feels very good. Those recycled plastic bottles. Very impressive. Can't wait to try it out. If you guys enjoy the video, let me know. Subscribe to the channel for future videos. Give it a like if you enjoyed it. And I'll catch y'all later. Believe, excel, achieve. Peace.